Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful coconut shortcuts ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Friends, I will share you beautiful So viewers, my first idea is first look at this lovely coconut shell candle holder. The natural shape of the shell make it perfect for holding candles. It's give a warm and cozy feeling to any room. Now next we have a cut cute coconut shells, planted small plants and look beautiful. Inside this friendly pot, they brings nature and freshness. Your space and weavers. Here is a charming bird feeder made from a coconut shell. Hang it on your garden and enjoy watching colorful birds come to visit. And friends, next idea is weavers. This elegant coconut shell ball is both useful and decorative. You can use it to hold jewelry, keys or small items. And friends, and the next idea is weavers. Friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care.